咁我哋第二部分咧就要講下究竟 simple present tense 嘅用途係啲乜嘢？咁你見到咧，原來咧係有3個用途嘅喎。咁我哋頭先都已經提過噶啦，我哋可以再講啦。首先第一個用途咧就係 express 一個 truth or a fact，我哋係表示一個真理或者事實。咁就可能係啲科學嘅真理啊，譬如地球咧係圍住太陽轉啦，又譬如太陽從東方升起啊，西邊落山，係咪？咁呢啲咧都係一定係真理或者事實嚟嘅。咁所以你見到啦 ，water flows downwards， 水向低流。flows 嘅意思咧就係流動咁嘅意思啦。咁佢有自己嘅動作一個意思，咁所以佢係一個 main verb 嚟嘅。有一次 the earth goes round the sun。又係啦，一個真理嚟嘅。頭先我哋講過啦，地球圍住太陽去轉個喎。咁呢個 goes 咧就係一個動作嚟噶啦，代表轉行咁樣運行咁解啦。咁所以呢個咧就會係一個 main verb。咁因為啦，你見到啦 ，water 同埋 the earth 都係第三人稱嘅單數，咁所以咧我哋會用 flows 同埋 goes。咁但係如果係 bees、vegetarians 呢一啲嘅眾數啦，咁我哋嗰個 main verb 咧就唔需要跟任何嘅 s 或者 es 啦。OK， 咁呢個就係第一個去表示一個真理或者事實。第二個用途咧就係 to express an action that is regular or habitual， 係啦。咁就係講緊一個習慣性或者係定期會發生嘅嘢，譬如我每日都會食飯，我每日都會返學，係咪？我係講廣東話嘅，我係識講英文嘅，係咪？咁呢啲咧都係一啲習慣性恆常發生嘅動作喎。咁我哋亦都係會用 simple present tense。譬如 He comes home for dinner almost every day。佢每日咧幾乎都會返嚟屋企食飯嘅。咁我哋個 come 會加個 s 俾佢。She speaks English well. She does not know how to drive. We do not have pets。咁然後第七啦 ，She does not know how to drive 啦。咁你見到呢個係一個否定句喎。咁佢呢度咧用一個 helping verb 去幫助佢表達 simple present tense 呢個嘅句子啦。We do not have pets 亦都係一樣啦。咁我哋就喺 helping verb 同 main verb 嘅中間跟呢個 not。sorry， 我頭先 highlight 錯咗，係啦，係 vegetarians do not eat meat 嗰個 eat 字先係個 main verb， 係啦，個 do 咧係嗰個 helping verb 嚟嘅，唔好意思各位同學仔，啱啱先睇到。咁你見到咧呢一啲嘅 main verb 咧，佢全部咧都係一個動作嚟嘅喎，真係做到出嚟嘅動作嚟嘅喎。咁呢個就係我哋頭先學嘅第一款simple present tense 第一款嘅 shape 啦。第三個 simple present tense 嘅用途咧，就係表示而家嘅一個狀況、天氣或者存在或者係一個人嘅身份啦，係咪？咁呢啲咧係唔係一個動作嚟嘅？咁但係啦，原來 verb to be 咧都係屬於一個 main verb 嚟嘅，佢就係表達咗一個嘅狀態、天氣或者存在或者身份。呢啲咧都係 main verb 嚟嘅。I am angry. They are under 13. It is fine today. What is your weight？ 係咪？呢一啲咧，雖然係佢唔係一個動作，佢做唔到出嚟啦，但係咧佢意思係表達一個狀況、天氣或者存在，咁佢都係一個 main verb 嚟嘅。咁呢度要留意啦。Angry 呢個咧，佢唔係一個動作嚟嘅喎，佢好嬲，形容緊呢個人好嬲嘅狀態喎。咁所以我哋要用到第二個表示 simple present tense 嘅 shape 咁樣啦。咁我哋再睇下咯。我哋咧可以去 notes 嘅 part F 啦。咁喺呢度咧就係話原來 simple present tense 咧就會成日同一啲 time indicator 去用嘅。time indicator 嘅意思咧就係時間指示詞咁解啦。咁樣咧佢係通常都係一啲叫 adverb of time。adverb of time 嘅意思咧就係為呢個句子咧係增加啲關於時間嘅額外資訊。譬如就咁 we write to her 冇問題嘅。咁但係我更加想講我哋有時會寫俾佢寫信俾佢係咪？咁我哋頭先都有講過啦，一啲恆常一啲regularly 會做嘅嘢咧，咁我哋咧就會用 simple present tense 係咪？咁我哋加咗呢一個 adverb of time， 我哋跟咗呢個時間指示詞嘅話咧，就可以表示到呢一個嘅常見性啦，或者係一個慣性啦，係咪？咁就係 we sometimes write to her。就係純粹係加咗額外資訊俾佢嘅啫。 咁又係嗰句啦，即使我哋加咗呢啲額外資訊俾佢咧，佢係唔會影響到我哋嗰個動詞需唔需要跟 s 嘅。She always works hard， 唔會因為佢加咗個 always 然後佢個 work 係唔使跟 s 嘅，一定係 she works hard。咁你跟個 always 俾佢，你只係就咁加俾佢嘅啫，冇任何嘅改變嘅，係啦。所以譬如啦 she often tells us joke， 你見到咧 tells us jokes， 你見到我哋個 tell 都要跟 s 嘅，因為個 she 係 he she it 第三身單數，係咪？ He always behaves well. She washes her hair once every 2 days。 咁呢啲都係一啲時間指示詞啦。如果我要將 she washes her hair 變咗做一句問句嘅話，我哋應該係乜嘢？咁你哋要小心啲啦。我哋前面用咗 does 嘅話咧，我哋後面嗰個 verb 咧就會係 wash， 就唔需要再跟 es 俾佢啦。Does she wash her hair？ 係咪？咁如果我想問佢哋會唔會自己整早餐噶？問題應該係咩咧？ Did they make their own breakfast？ 佢哋有冇自己整早餐嘅？係咪？咁咧要記住咯。He she it 我哋會用 does 啦，我哋後面嗰個 verb 咧就會用 base form。Are you with it？ 咁永遠都係 do 啦，係咪？咁其他咧，同學仔都可以自己去睇下啲例句啦。
如需索取英文筆記或者做英文程度評估，請 WhatsApp 聯絡我哋。